Welcome everyone. Have you ever stopped to think about the journey behind the apps you use every day? The stories of the people who dare to dream and build the tools that connect us. Today we dive into the fascinating life of Jan Koum, the co-founder of WhatsApp, the messaging giant that changed how we communicate. Jan Koum's story begins in 1976, Kiev, Ukraine, then part of the Soviet Union. Growing up under a communist regime, privacy was a luxury Jan never knew. Who knew that soon this would become a defining factor in his future success? At the age of 16, Jan's life took a dramatic turn. With the fall of the Soviet Union and rising anti-Semitism, his family, like many others, faced an uncertain future. They immigrated to the United States, landing in Mountain View, California, a world away from everything they knew. Life in United States wasn't easy. Jan's family struggled financially. A social support program helped the family to get a small 2-bedroom apartment there. He lost his father in 1997. At first, his mother worked as a babysitter while he worked as a cleaner at a grocery store. His mother died in 2000 after a long battle with cancer. Despite his struggles, he discovered a passion for computer programming, a self-taught skill that would become his superpower. While attending San Jose State University, Jan honed his programming skills. He was fascinated by the online world and the potential for secure communication. Fate intervened when Jan met Brian Acton while working at Ernst & Young. Over the next few years, Koum and Acton worked at Yahoo together. Both applied to work at Facebook but were rejected. They both shared a passion for privacy and a growing disillusionment with corporate life. In 2007, they left Yahoo and embarked on a soul-searching adventure. A chance encounter with a broken iPhone sparked a new idea. Jan realized the potential for a secure mobile messaging app. In 2009, WhatsApp was born, named after the playful phrase, "What's up?" WhatsApp's focus on simplicity and privacy resonated with users. From a few dozen users, it reached millions in a short time. It started as a messaging app for close friends and families, but quickly gained a global following. From bustling megacities to remote villages, WhatsApp became a go-to platform for instant communication. On February 9, 2014, Zuckerberg asked Koum to have a dinner at his home and formally proposed Koum a deal to join the Facebook board. 10 days later, Facebook, recognizing the app's potential, made a historic acquisition offer of $19 billion. At first, Koum hesitated to take the deal but soon agreed with the negotiations, considering that this deal would help WhatsApp to grow and expand in future. This deal cemented Jan Koum's place among tech titans and he became the youngest billionaire at that point of time. His vision was very clear to him and he never deviated from his idea of providing best user experience, with data and user privacy being the topmost concern. He clashed with Facebook's leadership over data privacy concerns and eventually stepped down from the company in 2018. Jan Koum's legacy goes beyond just creating a communication app. He championed the importance of user privacy in a world where data is king. WhatsApp's continued focus on encryption and security is a testament to his vision. Jan Koum's journey is a witness to perseverance and the power of a good idea. He left a lasting legacy, a platform that connects billions across the globe, a constant reminder of the importance of privacy in today's digital age. What will Jan Koum do next? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, the world will be watching. So the next time you send a message on WhatsApp, remember the story behind the app. Remember the boy who escaped the shadows and dared to create a brighter future for communication. Share your thoughts in the comment section and until next time, stay inspired.